forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I am going to be looking for some furniture. Guys, we really need a dining table and chairs. We've been without dining table and chairs for, I don't know, 3-4 years, maybe, yeah, 3 or 4 years. And now I'm fed up. I need a dining room table and chairs. So I'm gonna go on the road and have a look. I'm going to Ochi. It's a shame I'm not in Kingston or going to Kingston anytime soon, because I think there's more choice. There's like Active and places like that. But I'm going to see what they've got in Ochi, because I really need to see if I can find something. But I must say this, guys, I'm going to have to compromise on what I get, because I'm going to be honest, a lot of the things here are not really my style. So I know I'm going to have to probably settle for something that's not really what I usually go for. But I need a table and chair set, so I'm going to just see what I can find. Yeah, really. Let me show you the space, because we've got this big empty space and it needs filling up. Let me show you. Alright, so this is the space. Let me move back. So this is the space that needs to be filled, this big space here. So we've got like the bar stools, we've got those, so we can sit and have like, you know, breakfast or whatever. I'll sit there on my computer and do my work there. But this empty space here is the space that needs filling. So I'm riding solo today, Outlaws at work, but I'm going to go to a few places in Ochi, have a bit of a look around, see if I can see anything, see if I can secure something really. So I'm going to take you along with me. Let's go furniture shopping today. Alright people, the first stop is Courts in Ochi. Courts over there. Yeah, that's the next one. I don't want to really have a glass table. Only 4 seats. Yeah, 4 seats. Outlaw really wants a 6-seater, and he's not keen on glass table either. I don't mind, but it's not my preference. There's that one. So it's just going to be a no. But that's a lot cheaper. $70,000. Something a bit bigger to fill the space. So these two so far, that one and this one. I prefer this one. It's a bit dark, but I prefer this one. What do you guys think? What do you think about the price? Alright, let's see if we see some more. This is Courts. Okay, there's this one. So we need a 6-seater, that's what we're looking for. Like this. What do you guys think? Not personally my taste, but you know, like I said, I was a bit worried about the chairs. These getting dirty. But it's a countertop. That's what I want. I want a high table. Seat 6. That's the first one I've seen since I've come in. The only thing I don't like is, oh no, I thought it had wheels on it. Just feel like storage compartment underneath. But let's see the price. 7-piece. $195,999. $196,000. don't mind as long as it can hold 6 seats, but yeah, this is too small. That's too small. But there's this one, this is 6 seats. Glass table again. And the chairs are a bit thin. And I always worry about this colour getting dirty. Especially when you've got young people, kids around. But there's this one, 6 seats. 62, not bad, not bad. Right, there's this now. This is more like what I'm looking for in terms of the height and the solidness. So it's a countertop, that's what I want. 6 seats. The seats are light again, but it's a bit more solid as well. Guys, you know if Outlaw is here, you're knocking everything. What is this one? Yeah, I like this. Yeah, I don't mind this one. Okay, don't mind this one. What do you guys think of this one? 6 seats, a countertop. There seems to be like storage underneath. Yeah. I quite like this one. Let's see what the price is. Alright, so this is more. 2249. Alright, there's this one. Not my style. 6 seats, about not what I'm looking for. Not a bad price. Round. I don't mind. I like the height though. Countertop. I like the height. Let's see how much this one is. Again, 11999. Nice height. I don't mind the colour, but I'm just not sure about the round seating. And there's only 4 seats. I'm sure you can purchase extra seats. And that's it. There's that over there. It's a bit grand. I don't think our house is grand enough for this. You need a nice grand dining room for this. It's going to suit my house. And then there's these ones. I don't see these, so there's this one. I don't mind the colour, grey. Quite nice. 6-seater. Not as countertop, not as high. Was Quartz. So I'll do a little quick recap. We're going to put them on the screen now. What do you think? Tell me which one you think. I'm going to number them. I can't remember how many there are, but I'm going to number them. Which ones do you think? Leave your suggestion in the comments below. So from Quartz, anything from Quartz look good? It's kind of limited, isn't it? I'm looking for something more modern, but I'll probably have to go to Kingston for that, and I just don't have the time. So the next place I'm going to go is to I could try Bashco. Bashco they don't do a lot of big furniture, but sometimes you can go in there and see 1 or 2 little things. So I might try Bashco, and I'm also going to try Singer as well. So I think I'm going to go to Singer next, and then Bashco after. All right, yeah.
You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult. I'm a mind that's you the dog, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that care pose like the Baba Frayo.
Alright, next up is Singer on the right hand side. Let's see if I can pull over somewhere. Right here, Singer. And then Singers, there's this one, 6-seater. It's like a leatherette padding, 6-seater. What do you guys think? Not counter height like I want, but 6 seats, dark wood and cream. This is like leather. So much. And then it got the the cream in the middle of the table to match the chairs. Okay. Alright, still in now. Too small. Yeah, I'm not keen on the pattern in the chair. It's small as well. I don't mind these chairs. Round table there. Not too bad. I think this is the most modern I've seen in terms of the chairs. 4 chairs there. It doesn't look bad. How much is this? 139,995. Not too bad. What do you guys think of this one? It's a little more modern, isn't it, the chairs? Ish. Light colour though. Yeah. Alright, what else is there? There's this one, which is a very big table. Looks like it can extend, I think. Yeah, see, it can extend in here so it can be 4-seater or 6-seater. Chairs are not bad. It's quite big, that's quite big. That one. 6-seater table. Not too bad. I think it might be a bit big for our space, but like I said, you can extend it. 1,995. Then there's just these. Way too small. I'm not quite liking the red on there. This colour's not too bad. Grey. 6-seater as well. Smallish table, but not bad. Grey. Not as high as I wanted it. Countertop. And just these, that's all too dark, you know. So not much. I'm going to speak to somebody and see. They have a catalogue, so I'm going to speak to them and see what other things they have. Yeah, take it from there. Alright guys, so what do you think? What do you guys think? Let's go back around. This one, this one, this one, or this one here, the grey one. Let me know. Okay, I'm going to try this place, Lucky Dollar in Ochi. Let's see. Alright guys, so that Lucky Dollar place that you saw me just show you guys, I didn't even, but it wasn't even worth videoing in there. They had 2 tables. One was a 6-seater, one a 4, and I didn't like any of them. But I'm getting to understand, but I realised that that's actually Courts. It's just a smaller version. It's just a smaller version of Courts. They call it Lucky Dollar, but the furniture is exactly the same, so that was pointless. So I'm gonna go to. There are a couple of other furniture shops that don't really do tables, like Blingers. There's a couple of Blingers in Ochi. They do more like appliances. But I'm gonna take a chance and go into Bashco, because even though Bashco don't do large furniture, like I said, sometimes you might find 1 or 2 little things. So I'm gonna do a quick stop in Bashco and see. So yeah. I'm in Bashco. 4-seater, not what I'm looking for. 4-seater again. Round tables. All 4-seaters. Not what I'm looking for. 61. Yeah. These are small 4-seater tables. Not my style and not what I'm looking for. So while I was in Singers, one of the workers gave me a catalogue. She showed me some other bits of dining tables that were not on display in the shop. So there's this one. This doesn't look too bad. It's a 6-seater. That's not too bad. A little bit more modern looking. You can see the price there, 158, 585. So that doesn't look too bad. I quite like that. And then there was this one here, which is, do you remember this one that was in the store, the 4-seater one? Something a little bit similar, but in a 6-seater. Glass top table though. That don't look too bad either. And that is 13995. And then the final one is this one. I like the chairs, blue suede chairs. I'm not. Look at the table, guys. I don't know if I don't know about that marbling effect on the top. I don't know. It looks marbly, but the chairs are nice. Blue, different type of color. Yeah, that's quite nice. And that was 169995. Okay, guys, that was my final stop. That was Bashco, and there was nothing in there that was suitable for me. They only had the small 4-seater tables. Not what I'm looking for, and none of them were my stand. I didn't like anything in there. That's it now. Like I don't know where else to go. Been to Courts, been to Singer, been to Lucky Dollar, which is just like another Courts. Been to Bashco. There's no point in me going to like the other stores like Blingers and stuff because they really don't do dining tables. So I don't know. I'm gonna show Outlaw, see what he thinks. I don't know. Maybe we choose. Guys, help me please. Help me please. I'm gonna on the screen in a short while. I'm gonna put my selection, my narrowed down selection. So the ones that I like out of all of them, and to be honest, I don't really like much of them, but I'm gonna my favorites out of those. Yeah, and I'm gonna number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, and then please, guys, just comment down below which one do you think is the best one. Yeah, in your opinion, what one do you think is the best one? Because right now I don't know. Yeah, the only thing that's left for me to do is go to Kingston, and when I don't know if I'm gonna have time to go there and have a look, but we'll see. So guys, this is just a short sweet vlog. Trying to find a dining table. I didn't have any luck today, but hopefully you guys will be able to help me by leaving your comments down below. Yeah, that's it really. So guys, until the next time, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, watch a piece of the ads, as we always say, and until next time, let me say.